So it's Friday afternoon here in Saigon. As you can see, the weather's a little bit gray. So we're gonna see what kind of filming we can get in before it rains, if it does rain today. Kind of always got to be on rain alert this time of year. It is the rainy season. But I just wanted to go around, show you the hood, maybe find a new place to eat, maybe find something to drink that I haven't had before. But mainly, just show you what the District 1 neighborhood looks like. Let's be careful crossing the street here. We're gonna go around. This part of District 1 is Nguyen Cu Trinh, and then we'll see if we get into any different wards. I'll let you know about that. Weather outside right now, I wouldn't say the weather outside is frightful, but hopefully this video is delightful. And since I've no place to go, maybe I can find something to show you. There's a bonnet. Hello. Some friendly people eating bonnet. Bonnet is always a good food option. May come back and eat some of that. Doing some accounting over there. Got some dogs. Hello. Some con dog. Some friendly people. He's got a pickup truck full of dirt. Don't know where he's taking that dirt. They have a nail salon and it looks like a shampoo. Goidao. Well, do we have an alley here? You know how I feel about alleys. When I see an alley, I must inspect. Be careful crossing the street here. Now we are on Nguyen Chai Street. Still in Nguyen Cu Trinh Ward of District 1. I don't know if there's going to be much down this alley, but it's worth checking out. A coffee place, Cat Cafe. Cat Cafe. I wonder if they have a con mayo there. Foot massage place. And Boomba. Noodle. Passionate with instant noodles. Something. This might be the end of the alley. A dental clinic. Nhạc Dentistry. The alley goes on. What else does the alley have to offer? Some homestays. Fairly uneventful alley, but worthy of discovery nonetheless. Uh-oh. I say uneventful, and then I see some events. What do we have here? Maybe we have some good food and drink. Something I never would have discovered had I not gone down the random alley. Oh my gosh, we are just overwhelmed with options now. We can get a lamb if we want, get our nails done. at smoothies back there. Look at all this stuff. So much stuff. So much room for activities. Rice. Phở, bún bò. More drinks. Looks like a Japanese place. Japanese noodles and food. Bap sao, stir-fried rice. Bancang is rice paper. Kavin chin, fish balls, fried fish balls. Lots of stuff in this alley. Place to stay. Little neighborhoodly shop. Tailor making some clothes. Wow. Alleys down there. Alleys. Let's see what's at the very end of this alley first. And then maybe we'll discover what's down one of those secondary alleys. Seems mostly residential, but a little bit of commerce as well. So many different alleys. It's overwhelming. Well, I think we should probably get some of that Japanese food. Try that Japanese food out. Or see if there's a different Vietnamese food option. Keep exploring maybe. Haircut place, barber shop, cut top. We just got a cut top, so we don't need that right now. Kitty, con mèo. Yeah, this is local District 1 living. Wow. Some gao. Rice. Uncooked rice. Bún bò. Bún bò yim. Not really in the mood for bún bò. Am I ever in the mood for bún bò? It's just not my favorite Vietnamese food, if I'm being honest. I don't know where we are now. Nuc Mia Pharmacy. Tennis courts out of nowhere. People are just playing some friendly tennis. And nothing says tennis like veal. Or is that a cow? Unknown animal. Nothing like practicing your backhand and then getting a slice of unknown meat. We have a little wang here. Wang Chung. Hi. Different foods. Một thàm chín phẫu đèn. Nguyen Cu Trinh Ward. I don't know, maybe they just serve all similar types of things there. They look like kind of like dino places that you can go and eat some food, have a drink, have a few beers. I think this alley has led us out to Hom Nguyen Street. That out there. If my senses are correct, if my personal GPS is correct, we have made it to Hom Nguyen Street. Just show you the end of this alley here on Hom Nguyen. Yeah. Cool. All right. Let's go get some food and drink. I don't know what we're gonna get, but something delish. So they got different signs here. Rau Ma Đào San. Đúng rồi. It's got Rau Ma. We'll get a ly Rau Ma. Có ly Rau Ma không?
Có Rau Ma.
Là một ly. Một ly Rau Ma Đào San. I don't know what the Đào San is. Is that mung bean? I think it's mung bean in English. A lot of coconut. Check your coconut. Got the Rau Ma blending. This will give us some good liquid energy for the continuance of our alley discovery. I love Rau Ma. It's a good drink. I don't like it without sugar though. You gotta get the Rau Ma with sugar. Nè, come on chú. Alright, so 15,000 for the Rau Ma. That is about 70 cents. Let's try it out. It's Rau Ma Đào San, which has like a mung bean, I think. Tastes like normal Rau Ma to me, but maybe I just can't taste the mung bean. But it's good. I like it. I'll give it a 7.8 on the Rau Ma Dank Rank. different food options that we saw before. I want to do a little bit more discovery, a little more alley discovery. Is there anything down this alley? That looks a little bit dead. We're gonna keep going. Keep on going. What is that? Cái này là gì? Dạ. Cái này tên gì? Tên gì? What is this? Cái này tên gì?
Đây là thức ăn.
Thức ăn à? So just meat. Thức ăn. Cái này thức ăn. Okay. Just meat. Very unspecific. Thức ăn. Okay. What is this place? My spidey senses told me to shift to the left when I heard the horn. It's like a country club. Vun is like a forest. Ngọc Lan is just a name, right? Is Vun a forest? I think so. I think that's like a tennis country club. Or wait, Yun is park. No, yeah, it's Yin. Yin is park, not Yun. Yin, park. Kom Yin, park. At the boom ball. Different stuff down there. Different activities on here. And keep exploring. Yeah. Oh. If we're gonna keep exploring, we should go down different alleys that we haven't seen.